obvious that AI is attracting more attentions.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think that AI could diluting the capacity for this industry to attract the capitals?
No, I think it might just, I think it's just going to elevate it, right? And we talked about these different trends of technology, and I myself, I use Claude Cowork and Claude Code because these are innovations that help everyone work much more efficiently. And if I think about even within Parity, starting to pressure test this AI infrastructure to use it to our advantage, right? How can we be much more efficient as a business, especially from a finance guy, thinking about efficiency and cost optimization. I think it's really powerful. So from an AI side, using it for sure. But then when you talk about AI and compute, that becomes a bigger issue, right? Thinking about energy and data centers and GPUs and all these things all together, they're costly initiatives. And I think we're going to start to see a shift of maybe utilizing blockchain technology for compute, right? Much more lower cost compute. And that's something where I think Polkadot really thrives in.
Yeah, I think they are AI and blockchain, they are two very important technology.
Yeah.
That we cannot see that we have this and we will ignore the other one. But it's like, these two technologies are evolving together and empower each other.
They do, but also create hurdles for each other, right? There's always pain points, especially from an AI perspective, is what we're seeing across the internet. I think if you look at internet traffic, I think there's some stats around there where more than 50% of that are bots. So how do we start to protect humans from interacting and getting scammed, right? And I think that starts to come around to what, Parity has been focused on, I think from Gab's perspective, is that proof of personhood. How can we prove that someone that is interacting on the internet with someone across the world is really a human, right? It's not just click a button on a capture type screen to say you're a human, because AI and bots, they're going to be able to beat that, right? So that human element, I think, is going to be super crucial to differentiate how you can navigate the internet layer and then technology as a whole.
More details about POP, like when it's going to be launched?
Yeah, I think, there's a lot of testing going on at the moment. I'm not the product manager, nor can I speak on when it's actually getting launched, but I think it's getting close. And I think it's a powerful tool. And I think I see this as iteration V1, right? And I think once you open this technology up to other developers and innovators in the space, it's really great because now they can kind of take their own vision with it and build on top of it, right? And I think that's where the best part about what blockchain and open source technology can do. It empowers others for the impossible, right? And I think that's really what Parity has been spearheading, is what we believe in, is I think all the engineers is building this technology and then now educating others on how powerful it is and having it there available to use.
Yeah.